In this video, we'll go over the SeamBorders parameter in the mutation node. In our original sample, we have seams along the edges. If we put this into the mutation node with default settings, we get a seamless result. This is because seam removal is built in by default into the mutation node. We can access these parameters in the SeamBorders dropdown below. This works the same as the seam removal node, so if I want, I can bring in the seam line and re-execute for a different result. If I set this to 0 and re-execute, we'll notice that the seams are back in the final image. Now this comes in handy if you want to do more precise mutations. For example, let's use this debug image and put it through a mutation. I'll just go to the settings and reduce this jitter to 0. Now anytime a sample gets pasted around, there's an automatic seam removal that is being processed. This allows a seamless transition between each patch. Now if for some reason I don't want this, we'll just scroll down and push the seam border to 0 to disable any seam removal. Now we end up with a result that is more aligned with manually copying and pasting the sample to fit a specified target resolution.